Hey friends, we're here to do a little bonus cash stuffing. Oh, I'm excited. We're gonna start something new. Yes, I absolutely I'm pumped. Okay, so we have $175 here, which is a huge, wonderful, amazing amount. We're gonna put this towards vacation, okay? So where is this money coming from? This is a buffer in my bank account. I just filmed a mini madness video, which you guys would have already seen, and I was actually going to stuff this in that video, but I thought it would make the video just super duper extra way too long. So here we have a separate bonus video. So 175, I'm just now realizing I'll probably have to break this up a little bit. What we're going to do, as I said, we're going to put this towards vacation because I need to save for vacation, right? So we're going to finish out Ren's challenge and then we're going to start something new. This is a pen loop holder thing from Happy Planner. I had it forever and have never used it. And because this binder barely wants to close, I figured I'd keep it around the binder. It's kind of a little bit on the loose side for this, but it still does the job. So that's the only purpose behind that. So let's go ahead and get this money out and let's finish off Ren's challenge. I have loved this challenge. It has just been so much fun. All right, so I'm dropping everything. Here's the money in the challenge. We have 4 cards left. And I'll probably need to break this up. Wouldn't it be amazing if I only had 20 or 25 left and then I could just put the money right in? That's probably not what's going to happen though. All right, so 4 cards. Again, this is her mild or spicy challenge, Ren, over at Mischief Managed Budgets. And I'm excited. I think it says it saves a minimum of $145, I believe. And I think last time too, when I was editing my video, I miscounted this by 10. I said there was 10 more in here than there was, but it doesn't matter because we're going to finish it out and we're going to see right now how much it saves, or it saved for me. It's good. The beauty of this is that everybody's going to save a little bit different because the Diablo cards are different, and it's just, you just get the challenge because it's awesome. Okay, so let's see. We have $6, and it might annoy you, but I am gonna scratch these all off because it's just so satisfying on lamination. And then $8. Somebody commented on one of my recent savings challenge videos. I have to check my watch because my husband is going to be on his way home soon and he's going to bring me some coffee and I have to know when to order. So, somebody commented on one of my recent savings challenge videos and they're like, "Hi, I have no idea what's going on. You might want to consider doing an intro at the beginning of your videos." And that's just not me. I just don't want to have like a rehearsed intro at the beginning of every video, but I appreciate your comment. But it did make me think maybe I should just film a little about me video. I've had my channel now for over 2 years. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy, you guys. I started in September of 2022. So that's just insane to me that I've been doing this over 2 years already. It doesn't feel like it. So most of you probably know me, know my history, know my story, everything, but there's always new people, right? So I might film a little video very soon about me. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Actually, if you have any questions that you'd like me to answer in that video or anything like that, let me know below also so I can mark them down. Because I don't know what I'm going to say in that video. I don't think I'm that interesting. So I don't know. We'll see. Okay. So we have, let's see, because I can't math. So 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1. Oh, 19. Do we have a 1? We do. Yes. I can put in a 20 and I won't have to make change. All right. Yay. We finished this. Let me clean it up real quick. Okay, I had to stop the video because my husband texted me and said to order soon. Did I tell you I want to try the Sabrina Carpenter brown sugar shaken espresso? Let me know if you like it. I have never tried it, so I'm going to try it today. All right, so we're going to put 19 in, and that is going to be the end of this one. Yes. So I have a 20 here. We're gonna put in the 20 and we're gonna take out $1. And that just could not have worked out any better. So I'm gonna put this off to the side and let's see how much Ren's mild or spicy challenge saved. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 176. Yeah, baby. Love it. All right, 176. We're going to put this aside and stuff this in a later video. I have a bunch of other wow, finished challenges to stuff. I have like 3 maybe. So that might be enough for a little dedicated video, or I was thinking I might just stuff them in my cash stuffing this week because my cash stuffings are always very short. So we'll see what I decide on. But these are done. I mean, I just keep going on, but I just loved those. They were just so much fun. And so let me take out this envelope really quick, and then we're going to talk about what we're doing next. All right. So we are finally going to start Carmen's 2024 book. Now, you all have just seen this. Tracy just recently completed this. I have been waiting to do this. I believe I got this somewhere around the summer of 2024, and I just didn't have the money or anything, you know, just I didn't have the money to start it. So I'm starting it now. And yes, it's a 2024 challenge and it's 2025, but who cares, right? It's a challenge book that I want to do. It's excellent quality. It's just looks like so much fun. And so that's what we're going to do. And the reason we're going to do this, it's a huge challenge, right? But I need over $3,000 total for my cruise. And so, yeah, this is what we're doing. Let's see. Let's actually look together really quick since, what was that? What did I just say that was? $176, I think. So where's my calculator? So we need 3263. Let's just say 3260, okay? I just saved 176. I think that's what it was. And then I currently have 639 here in my sinking fund. So yeah, 2445. So this 2024 book will get me almost there. This will be almost everything that I need for the cruise. I will need an additional about $400, and I am still going to be stuffing my cruise sinking fund, or not cruise, my vacation sinking fund until we leave. But you guys, the countdown has started. We're leaving April 20th, and that is just about 3 months away, which 3 months seems like a lot, but it's not a lot of time to save over $2,000, right? So we got to get on it. So that's why I'm putting how much? $156 towards this today. So we're gonna get out the calculator, and I'm gonna pray that I don't mess this up and forget to subtract something. I think what I want to do is do a few challenges at a time, similar to how I did the Skelly book. Because, or should I just go through and finish some of the pages? Because then I'll already have some pages done. That actually, yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Let's do that. So 156, I mean, that's not going to be as fun for you guys to watch. So technically right now I could just subtract 75 and just scratch these all off, but I'm going to subtract as I go. And yeah, that's different than how I would normally do it, but I think that's what we're going to do because why not? The whole book has to get done anyway. And so, that's just what I'm deciding on. So I'm going to try my best to multitask and talk through this. Let me know what you guys have been up to today. Let's see. You're probably seeing this on Wednesday, so I hope your week is going well. I already don't even know what else to say. All right, 156 minus 2 minus 10, minus 4, minus 5, minus 3. I have to just keep subtracting as I go so I don't forget. I probably still will forget. Who knows? Minus 6. Let's see. I talked about, I think it was my last video. I don't think it was this video. How I want to do a house walkthrough now that we've been moved in for a little bit. Minus 7. Let's see. We've been here just about 2 months now. I am absolutely loving it. I do not miss the house one bit, our old house. I still have stuff to clean out. I know I said that was a goal for the end of the year or the beginning of January to get that finished. It's not. I'm lazy, you guys. I mean, to be honest, I am lazy. And it's just not something I want to do. On top of that, there's always stuff here that needs to be done. Things need to be put away and everything. Okay, we have $81 left. Let's move on to the next one. So yeah, it's just, it needs to be done. I did go over there a little bit yesterday, but I wasn't there long at all. Our bathroom here though, you guys, is coming along. I feel like it maybe is going to go much faster now. So the tile is done. Maybe I could snap a quick photo and show you guys the progress. It's a very small bathroom, so, you know, it hopefully shouldn't take long after this, but it's only my father-in-law working on it for like an hour or two a day, literally, and not even every day. So it's been going very slow, but the tile is up on the wall, and we had to build, and when I say we, I mean he, had to build a platform for the tub to go on, I guess because of the drainage and what was there before and whatever. And so on that little platform, you guys will see maybe in the picture, he put the flooring down and the tile that's behind the tub. And then, so I guess the tub's ready to go in now. But we're painting. So last night my husband actually did the primer on the walls and the ceiling, and so that is ready now for final paint. I chose a really dark, like greenish blue. I wanted to go moody. I don't know. I wanted to do something different, and yeah, I went with that. I don't know how it's going to be because it's such a small space. But that's what I went with, and that's what we're going to roll with. All right, let me subtract these. All right, I'm sorry if the video looks choppy. I keep stopping it because he keeps texting me, and so I have to respond. And so, yeah. Anyway, you will see from the photo, I'm sorry, you guys, I keep stopping the video because he literally keeps asking me things. And so that's probably gonna be annoying for you, that beep on my watch, but it is what it is. Okay, so 5. So yeah, it's a small bathroom. We have a dark color, but I wanted to do it. I want it moody, and I don't know how it's gonna look, but that's what we're gonna go with. So there you go. Okay, so 5, 8, 3, and then a 2. Oh my goodness. Okay, so have you guys done this book? Like I said, I know Tracy just recently finished this. I believe, let's see, minus 5, minus 8, minus 3, minus 2. We're down to $29 left. I believe Carmen does have a 2025 book out now. Have you guys picked that up? I just love these books. I love how it's just like a bunch of different challenges, smaller challenges, but they add up to a huge amount. You could do them, you know, do the whole book, or you could do one challenge at a time and take the money. Like, I just love the versatility of stuff like this. And yeah. All right, the bonus, we're going to do the bonus for sure. And actually with the bonus, that's going to get me even a little closer to my goal. All right, we have $11 left. Let's color in this bonus real quick. And let's see what is on the next page. All right, we got bingo. Should I roll or should I just color? Because I'm a big cheater. I guess I'll roll because that's fun. But the question is, where is a die? Here's one. Oh, I have to roll 2, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay. So we have 5 and 3. So 5 and 3. So that's $2. 6 and 2. Oh, there's no 6. Okay, well, let's just do this 6 because why not? Okay, and we have $3 left, so I'm just gonna go ahead and color in a 3 and cheat because that way we don't have an IOU. Yes, this book is done. Our first stuffing of the 2024 book. Yay. This makes me happy. I told you guys, I've been waiting to start that forever. I also have another binder I've been wanting to do forever that I probably got even before this, $1,000 binder. And then I also have Wren's, one of Wren's binders. That's a really big challenge that I also want to start. And I debated which one of those to do, but because I need such a large amount, I decided to go with this one. Yeah, because it's going to almost get me to my goal. So 150, 55, 56, 156 going into the envelope. And the book does come with a dashboard, which looks like this, but I actually thought this side was cuter. So that is what I ended up putting in the envelope. And yes, so every time I do my savings challenges, we're going to work on this challenge. We're going to see what kind of progress we can make. And that is it for this video, my friends. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. I am so grateful for you guys. Yeah, I'm excited for this year ahead. I just can't wait to see what we are going to accomplish together. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.